Hey guys, it's Patty Hamiko Skishy because somehow it came up again. So yes, now I have a bunch of tissue and I need to put it inside here. And if you guys can't tell, it is not paper or anything. It is definitely most like tissue. Not as it is sand tissue mix. Okay, so now you're gonna get your tissue, which I've got a lot. And do not get it on your sellotape, that is not a good idea. And you have to put it in there. Like a funnel. Or a funnel, whatever. And try to get as much as you can in there. If you want yours to be thicker, you can add a bunch and make a huge one. But I am just using a little one. Okay. Okay, so I basically filled mine up as much as I can. Okay, so because I've still got a little bit which I haven't filled up, I have done this. So now what you can do is my sellotape. Okay, you're gonna get your sellotape, which I have right here. You're gonna cut it. Like so it doesn't fall out. And you keep on doing that. Okay, so now I've done that and I've got like this whole squishy. So now if you want to, you can take some down and do that. And if you want to, you can also put another stripes, some like more stripes just to secure it. Yeah, that's what I'm doing, just so all the tissue doesn't fall out and make me die. So yeah. And if there is any, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die so much. Because I've basically wasted this entire thing. Let's just say there wasn't much anyways. Okay. Yes, but now you have a squishy. Yes, so in mine, I have got a few rips, but if you put some more sellotape on that, you will not have that problem. So, I'm going to be quiet and imagine I wasn't here. And I'm going to use some more. Just a little bit. Because I'm going to die. No. I've run out of sellotape. I'm gonna die. And I still got this one, right? Anyways, so I didn't fill this one up that much, but it is still a really good stress ball / squishy. This is supposed to be a squishy, but I feel like it's more of a stress ball because now let's slow rise. You guys can't really see that. It does go up, but it's a little bit more easier if you just play with it more. It literally just goes up if you play it. Yeah, so I would go over some more sellotape. Yes, but if you want some more tissue paper and stuff like that being used just like this, as easy as that, you guys can comment down below or even just like it and give me 2 likes or 1 like. I don't care. I'll do it anyways. Bye guys. See you later.